Is there a connection between nature and society? Everything we decide to do, every decision we make, directly reflects nature. What did this plot of land look like 100, 200, 1,000 years ago? Before there were telephone lines, or TV, or even these houses. Did this affect the ecosystem in any way? What have we done to change this piece of nature? Everything we do changes this plot of land. Between how we decide to cut the grass, to what plants we decide not to have, even having a bird feeder. Where did those birds decide to go? They could have gone somewhere else. Maybe there's something harmful in this area. But there are good things we do too. Like deciding to plant trees. Or planting anything, really. But everything we do directly affects nature. Society sometimes doesn't want to believe that we can have a huge positive or negative impact on nature. Being at a Franciscan university and having a really big interest in St. Francis, I respect his way of looking at nature. He wrote the Canticle of the Creatures to express his love of nature and of God, who created everything for us. Most high, all-powerful, all-good Lord, all praise is yours, all glory, honor, and blessings. To you alone, Most High, do they belong. No mortal lips are worthy to pronounce your name. We praise you, Lord, for all your creatures, especially for Brother Sun, who in this day, through whom you give us light. And he is beautiful and radiant with great splendor. Of you, Most High, he bears most likeness. We praise you, Lord, for Sister Moon and the stars. In the heavens you have made them bright, precious, and fair. We praise you, Lord, for Brother Wind and Air, fair and stormy, all weather's moods, by which you cherish all that you've made. We praise you, Lord, for Sister Water, so useful, humble, and precious, and pure. We praise you, Lord, for Brother Fire, through whom you give us the night. He is beautiful, playful, robust, and strong. We praise you, Lord, for Sister Earth, who sustains us with her fruits, colored flowers, and herbs. We praise you, Lord, for those who pardon, for love of you bear sickness and trial. Blessed are those who endure in peace. By you, Most High, they will be crowned. We praise you, Lord, for Sister Death, from whom no one living can escape. Woe to those who die in their sins. Blessed are those that she finds doing your will. No second death can do them harm. We praise and we bless you, Lord, and we give you thanks and serve you in all humility. This is a beautiful prayer that we all need to think about. Francis was one with nature. He accepted that people can change nature, that nature was given to us by God, and that everything we do can directly affect it in a positive or a negative way. St. Francis is someone to look up to, and I pray that we all realize that nature and society do have a major connection.